Aerolite Insulation. Uninsulated homes are not energy efficient. In summer, the sun beats down on the roof space, increasing heat buildup in the roof. Heat radiating from the ceiling increases indoor temperature. Insulating the roof space with 135mm thick Aerolite insulation will result in an improved indoor temperature 4 to 8 degrees. In winter, any warmth created in the home rises. The cold ceiling absorbs all the warmth, resulting in a cold home. Conversely, in winter, our homes are colder. As a result, we light up the fire or activate the heating system in order to stay warm. With the Aerolite insulation, heat loss in the home via the ceiling is reduced as much as 90%, resulting in a warmer home by 4 to 8 degrees. 5 additional Aerolite insulation benefits. 1. Reduce the impact of noisy neighbors or traffic. Aerolite has great soundproofing properties. 2. Reduce condensation in the home by creating a warmer interior in winter. 3. Think Pink Aerolite is non-combustible. 4. Lifespan 30 to 50 years. 5. Regarded as an eco-friendly insulation. Do you need more info on roof insulation? Give us a call. We are situated in most centers. 021-837-1824. For DIY installers, as well as builders and developers, check our Aerolite insulation prices online. Buy direct and save. www.roofinsulations.co.za